Sagot. O you refuse to answer?
Yes.
You refuse? Mr. Chairman, with that, I move to cite in contempt Colonel Padilla in violation of our internal rules, Section 11, paragraph C.
Yes, Congressman Paduano.
Thank you, Chairman. Just to follow up, no? Actually, kanina na-establish na yon na yung dalawang PDL na pumatay ng tatlong incheck after IS, dinala sa Bartolena, pero just for a few weeks. Tapos, nilabas doon sa ICA. Kaya ang question ko kanina, bakit yung PDL na pumatay sa tatlong Chinese, nilagay doon sa ICA, in which sabi ni Fortaleza, yun ay para sa mga force multiplier. In short, min-maximize pa sila. Parang binigyan sila ng favor dahil sa pagpatay nila sa dalawa. Now, yan ang unang tanong. And that, sabi mo kanina, Poro, that is the discretion of the superintendent at the time, in which si Superintendent Padilla. Tama? Yun ang sagot mo kanina, di ba? Sinagot mo rin kay ano. Now, Superintendent Padilla, Colonel Padilla, what can you say about it? Why did you allow the two PDLs to be put in the ICA? Ginawa niya pang force multiplier. Oh, yan, sir.
After nung Bartolina, after na nung investigation po yun, matagal, mga more than a month siguro.
No, sabi mo pa more than a month, sabi mo to 3 months. But there is a new case filed against them for murder and for homicide, and they admitted it. Ang tanong ko dito, bakit nilagay nyo sa ICA? In your discretion. And that's your authority. Sagot. O you refuse to answer?
Yes.
You refuse? Mr. Chairman, with that, I move to cite in contempt Colonel Padilla in violation of our internal rules, Section 11, paragraph C. Mr. Chairman, refusal or evasive to answer questions without legal excuse. So move, Mr. Chairman.
There is a motion to cite in contempt Superintendent Padilla for violating Section 11, paragraph C of our rules of procedure governing inquiries in aid of legislation. Duly seconded. Hearing no objection, the motion is approved. You are now cited in contempt, Superintendent Padilla. Congressman Paduano.
Mr. Chairman, before the second motion that will be moved by the members of this committee, let me remind Superintendent Padilla, former Superintendent Padilla, now Colonel Padilla, that you have all the rights. You can also make a motion for reconsideration. That is your right. We follow due process in this, but after, the day after that you will be detained, either in the House of premises or wherever the chairman will decide.
Congressman Paduano, what is the pleasure of the body as far as the person cited in contempt, contempt's penalty pursuant to Section 12 of our rules? Any motion?
Mr. Chairman, ganito, it's up to the members and the chairman to decide whether how long he will stay in a facility that will be decided by this committee, of course.
What is the pleasure of the body?
Mr. Chair,
Congressman Acop.
may I respectfully move that Superintendent Padilla be detained for 30 days? So move, Mr. Chair.
There is a motion to detain Superintendent Padilla for 30 days. Duly seconded. Hearing no objection, the motion is approved.
Mr. Chair,
Congressman Acop.
may I also move that he be detained at the Bicutan City Jail simply because our detention center is presently full. So move,
Second, Mr. Chairman.
There is a motion to detain Superintendent Padilla at Bicutan. And duly seconded. Hearing no objection, the motion is approved.
Mr. Chairman.
Congressman Paduano.
Just last quick question na lang. And just to remind everyone, to the resource persons, please answer truthfully. Because at the end of the day, lalabas at lalabas din. If not today, lalabas din po later. Ang katotohanan, especially Chief Inspector Poro. And dun po sa isa pang opisyal ng ano. Please, di po namin gusto to, but this will deliver a message to all resource persons. Now, Mr. Chairman, lastly, Mr. Chairman, with regards to the two PDLs, in your sinumpang salaysay, sa sinumpang salaysay mo, Tata and Magdadaro, di ba sabi nyo, pinasok lang sa bulsa nyo, yung kamay din, binukot na yung droga?
Opo, Your Honor.
O para, they have all the reason para ilagay kayo doon sa Bartolina. Tama?
Opo, Your Honor.
Magdadaro, tama ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Now, since, ayaw ko na tanungin si Superintendent, hindi naman to sasagot eh. Ikaw, Foro, after that you have recovered an illegal drugs in the possession of the two PDLs, did you file a case against the two PDLs? Ito on record ha, mati-check din namin
Sir,
if you're lying.
ang advice po ni Sir, nung sinireport ko, sabi niya, wala namang laman yan. Huwag na natin pala ng criminal case.
Oh, then,
Admin case na lang, sabi niya.
then, may problema kayo doon. Di ba? Alam mo yun, may problema kayo, di ba? Why did you allow yourself to be used by the super? Why?
Ay, order ni Super, Sir, wala
Because
kaming...
that's the order of your superintendent.
Yes, na huwag na lang ipala ng kaso.
Ikaw?
Ano na lang, admin na lang, sa admin case na lang po.
Oh, yun ang problema. Illegal drugs, admin.
Mr. Chair, if I...
Walang laman po kasi,
tapusin muna ako.
sabi
Sorry?
daw kasi ni Sir, wala namang laman yung sachet.
Wala lang naman, ba't nilagay niyo siya sa Bartolina? Di ba? Bakit it now proved with the statement of Oro, you cannot withdraw it because if you withdraw it, I will again also cite you in contempt. Dahil wala, sandali, patapusin muna ako. Dahil walang laman, sabi ni Superintendent, why did you put the two PDLs to Bartolina? Wala palang laman eh. There's no basis to put them in the Bartolina. No violation. Di ba? Yes, Chairman.
Pwede po.
Okay, we'll allow Chief
Opo.
Inspector Noni Poro to...
Kasi po, Sir, nung makuha po yung walang laman, tinanong ko po, ano ito? Sabi ni Magdadaro, Sir, lalagyan ng candy. Sabi, hindi candy ito, mangliit ito, hindi makasiyang candy, sabi ko eh. Noong huli po, sige ko tanong ng tanong, umamin po siya na yun po ay lalagyan ng shabu at gumagamit sila ng shabu. Yun po ang nangyari, Your Honor.
But still, you did file a case against them. Admittedly, nag-admit, palagay na natin, for the sake of argument, giving you the chance. No. Now, ang question is, nag-admit na dalawa gumagamit ng shabu. Why didn't you file a case against them?
Yun
To
po kasi-
justify that indeed, binartolina namin. Because in the very first place, wala talaga kayong nakuha doon na droga. That was the plan from the very start for them to be put in Bartolina. Poro, I will not cite you in contempt. But again, as I've told you and all the members at the resource person, this is just to warn you. Huwag tayo maglokohan dito.